Just take a look at this particular picture and this picture and this picture. They are on different scenes, but they have consistent face. I mean, the characters are consistent. If you create African folktale videos or other faceless content creation videos, you will find out that you would want to use one particular character to portray your story. But if you generate it on AI, you will see that it will keep giving you different faces. It might make your audience lose focus and all that. For example, if there are two girls in the story, Lucy and Grace, your audience will find it difficult to identify each of them unless you call out their name. But you can make it more enticing and engaging by creating a consistent character of Grace and another consistent character of the next person. Like I said, I use this particular strategy to create my African folktale videos. You can see me editing and all that, right? And today I am going to show you how to achieve this using Piclumen website. From writing and setting the prompt properly to creating the right picture you want to create, all for free. Yes, as of the time I am filming this video, everything on this particular website is free. So once you click on the link in description, you are going to come to this exact interface, and all you have to do is to sign up. Once you sign in with your Google account, you are going to get here. So you click on create on your left hand side and you start creation. But before then, let me take you through the interface. This place is where you type in your prompt. This particular square place after where the flower is where you can change your aspect ratio. If you are working with YouTube, you know it's 16.9, and if you are working on any other platform, you can check here and use. But for the sake of this video, we are using 16.9. And then this place is the amount of pictures you want to generate at a time. Generating from 3 to 4 videos, you have to pay. But for the free version, you either use 1 or 2, so we are picking 2. Then this purple and white arrow is where you send to generate after writing your prompt. There are 2 ways we are going to do this today. The first is you using your hand to type your prompt, while the second part, ChatGPT will do it for you. Which should we go first? Okay, let's go with the one you are going to type your prompt. It's very simple. All you have to do is to calm down and imagine what you want to generate. You understand, right? Sit down and imagine. Do you have the imagination? Yes. If you have the picture of what you want to generate in your mind, or you can see it, then we are good to go. So you type generate a realistic. Make sure that realistic is part of your prompt. Then image of, is the person handsome, beautiful, and all that? So we are using beautiful. And expensive Nigerian. If you are using Nigerian, any country you can see in your image, make sure you put it. If you don't, you are not going to get what you want. So we have gotten to Nigerian. If you want age, no problem. So let's put age. It's going to help us better. 25 years old lady. Okay. Then what is the lady putting on? We can go putting on. You can write it if you want. Wearing an elegant. You can put the color of the dress the lady is putting on. So let's use white and pink gown. White and pink gown or dress, whatever you want. So what is the we have gotten here? We are generating a realistic picture of a beautiful and expensive Nigerian 25 years old lady. We have said what she's putting on. What is she doing? Okay, let's say she is eating in a beautiful, colorful, and expensive, I'm just trying to give the details, expensive restaurants. Okay, what is she eating? We can go there, down there too. Eating rice and chicken. Okay, we have written that expensive restaurant. What is around the restaurant? Let's say filled with different customers. So we have already told it how many is going to generate and the aspect ratio. So we click on this to see what it has for us. Look at it. Can you see how beautiful and real? I said realistic. So this is the first one. Let's go to the second one. You click on the second. It's loading. Can you see? Let me download so that you see that. Download image. And then, okay, you can just click on it here and download, which is done, which is going on already, or you hold on it and download. So let's go to gallery and see what we generated. Now here is our gallery. Look at. You see? Can you see the resemblance? Yes, this particular one, let's assume is the same scene. So we want to create something she herself, this same 25 years old lady on another scene. So that is what we want to do. Let's go. Oh my god, I love this. Then to do that, you click on this three button. You can see remix. You click on the remix. And once you click on remix, it's going to show your prompt where the same prompt you use in generating that video is generating that picture, is going to show here. Using this same method, everything is here, 25 years old, wearing an elegant white and pink nightwear. You see? Nightwear. Yeah, I know it was little. Once you start typing, everything will go because we are using our mobile phone. Nightwear and flip-flop, or you can just use slippers, but I'm using this. Okay. Watching. Okay, let's start here. Smiling and watching a movie on her iPhone 16. Yeah, so that is done. We are going to edit this part till the iPhone 16. Okay, in her beautiful, colorful and expensive bedroom. You see? So we can do something to this again. Wearing an elegant, okay, this in her, we can put sitting on the bed in her. Okay, so this is being arranged already. If you have a prompt, all you have to do is to remove it and paste, but we just want to work with this and we go. So you click on it a bit and you see download. You see download, you click on download. This is one part. The second part, you just click on it and you hold on it and download. To leave here, in case you will find it difficult, if you're using your phone, just tap on you see it has left. And to go back totally, you can see this cancel button on top. Click on it and it's done. So let's go back to our gallery. And can you see the resemblance? One person on different scenes. Oh my god, I love this. Accurate. So that is it for this kind of prompting. Then the second prompting said we'll be using ChatGPT. So you click on ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, open AI, and then it will load. You sign in case you have not been using it, and here we are. So to do this, just in case you do African folktale or any story at all you have to do is to upload
you can go there, copy all of them, but you can also just upload the file here. When you upload, it's going to hang here, then you tell it what you want to tell. Like the same thing I will type is what you are going to type after uploading. So I want it to generate prompts. Using this story, the prompt should be accurate and well detailed. I want to use it to generate consistent characters from this story. So you quote, then paste your story. The file is automatically here, and that is it. You can leave it this way, or you remove it and send, because the thing is here already. Okay, it's already giving some detail. This one is if you just want it to give you detailed prompts you need. Then another part is using the story itself. This is the first paragraph. Give stood in front of the large iron gate of this, right? You copy it, this first paragraph, and tell ChatGPT to give you the prompt to generate it. Okay, so let's copy it. Go to Piclumen. It didn't add Nigeria, so I'm going to add generate a realistic photo of a Nigerian dark-skinned. Let's generate. This is the girl based on the prompt. That is why when it gives you prompt, you go and edit. If this is not the color of uniform you want, you put it. If this is not the color of the gate, anything, you go and adjust it. I just pasted it so you see exactly what the prompt ChatGPT gave to me. That is why I first taught you how to prompt before now, so that ChatGPT, if it gives you what you don't like, you will know how to adjust. So let's check the second video. This is the second one. Okay, we will be remixing the first one because it's showing the story itself. So let's go. Let me download it first, and then let's remix it. Remix. On my own, I won't go with this because I'm used to prompting with my hand and it gives me good results. Okay, dark skin name. Okay, a gift, walking on the beautiful and expensive school hallway. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have to, we are missing school hallway. She is overweight. Yeah, we have to put that, because that is what the story is saying. This is an example. If I want to do it myself, you know the deal. So let's go with this one. I just changed the scene. Let's move here. Oh, this one is so fine. This is her walking in the hallway, and then I use my, if you notice, you see that what you write with your hand gives better result compared to what AI just give you, right? So based on what we have done so far, this is the first one, the first consistent character. One person, one face, different scene, different outfit. Then this is the second one, the one we did by ourselves. I mean, we prompted. This is it. Can you see the same face? Look at it, the same face. Then this one is the one ChatGPT gave to us without us remixing. This one is a bit huge, I mean fatter than the other ones, but if you look at the face, it's the same thing, more like she trimmed down. Actually, if you listen to the story, I wrote the story, it got to a time that she started working on herself and she was reducing. So I can use this, although this is not the uniform I planned. Can you see? That is it. So good.
So this is how to generate consistent AI pictures using Piclumen. If this video was helpful to you, kindly tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to anyone who needs this. If you are an African folktale creator, don't forget to tell us in the comment section and also connect with each other. Apart from this particular one, I have also taught how to generate beautiful AI pictures using Bing, and here is it. Once you are done with this video, you can click in the description box to watch it. And if you want to promote your videos, share your videos with communities who will like, subscribe, and watch your video the first few minutes to help the algorithm to push your content, then you can check the description box too and join our WhatsApp community where we connect with each other no matter your niche. So thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.